So let's start with the fundamentals for the next week. So on Monday, as you can see, New Zealand dollar has an inflation expectation quarter-on-quarter news. So I believe that if this number comes higher than the previous, we can expect some strength for New Zealand pairs. So let's see how we can take advantages of that. And Tuesday, GBP claimant count change. So they're expecting it to increase. So I believe that for on Tuesday, we can expect some movements on GBP with the core PPI for month on month for USD. So they're expecting it to stay the same, and PPI month on month, they're expecting it to increase a bit. So if this number, so we have this week, we have PPI and CPI. So I believe one of the news will push it up and another news will push it down. So I guess coming week, we can expect both sides. So when I go to the chart, I will explain further. And Aussie dollar on Wednesday, wage price index quarter on quarter, so they're expecting it to increase a bit. And then 8:30 p.m. Wednesday, US CPI news. So if CPI continue to go up, I believe that we are going to get some bullishness for dollar. So this news can definitely push it up. So based on structure, I do see there's a lot of momentum possible for up. Based on the chart, I can see a lot of buy momentum possible. So when I go to the chart, I will explain further. And on Thursday, we have Audi employment change and unemployment rate. So they're expecting unemployment rate to increase. So probably on Thursday, we can expect some movements on Audi pairs. And 8:30 p.m. USD unemployment claims. So they haven't put the forecast yet. So let's see what happens. So here we are on DXY. So DXY looks like, to me, on daily chart, we are still expecting market to give us some more upward momentum, because the down momentum here is not that really strong. It can pick up. I'm not saying no, but to me, right now, this is my first wave, my second wave, my third wave, my fourth wave, and this is my fifth wave. There's a potential fifth wave to drop and complete just below this low. And then market can make this pre-wave as the correction and then continue to shoot up, at least to break this top and take the liquidity from here and then start the drop. So this is a bit long term, if you ask me. Probably this might take about 2 to 3 weeks to finish. So here on 4 hour, as you can see, that market, the movements of the wave here is that it is pretty much like the seller momentum is dying down. So now, to me, if you ask me what I'm expecting, if PPI can push it down further to break this bottom on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, market can definitely push it upward, because there is a possibility market to give this as a correction before market shoot up. And if this is here on Wednesday, that if market give us a buy setup, I would definitely go for it from this zone just below this low. So let's say if market is here after the PPI, market drops and market continue to go up like this before the CPI, we can expect more downward for the CPI news. So this is a possibility as well. But if market is here during the CPI time and market is scrolling to the downside, this can shoot up further. And this is the possibility that I see for next week on Tuesday and Wednesday. And I am bullish to the upside as well for dollar because of the war situation that is taking place in Israel-Palestine issue. And of course, Ukraine-Russia issue is still there. And I do see that a lot of possibility that USD can become stronger. This is my Facebook page, Trader Jana. So I am launching the workshop for the month of May. So it's falling on 25th and 26th of May, Saturday and Sunday, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. You get 1 hour break, and it's a 2 days workshop. This is a great workshop for anyone who's interested to learn about Forex trading or how to trade any tradable assets, right? And this is a 2 day workshop. It gives you a lot of insights into trading world. And if you ask me, this is a holistic workshop, and it will give you a lot of understanding how to move forward. Even if you are an advanced trader, even if you have some knowledge in trading, you will get some idea of how market makes the moves here. So this, you can see what are the subjects that I cover on day 1 and day 2. So a great way to start your trading career. And even if you are a full-time employee, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a business owner, I really suggest for you to explore trading as well, because it gives you an edge for your, like, it'll help you grow as a person as well, because this market is really a bigger place than any industry in the world. There is about $7.5 trillion flowing in every single day. And this market is the biggest market in the entire world. And if you can conquer this, if you can understand this, if you can make a living out of this, it is a great thing to do, because 95% of the people fail how to do it. And if you are able to come to that 5%, 10%, that is a huge achievement. So how do you do that? How do you come up to that level? This is where the knowledge comes in, the education comes in, the skills comes in. So this is where you can utilize this workshop to get more understanding how to move forward. So I hope you get, like, you give a chance, and if you like, this is only if you are passionate about, if you are curious about, early stage I was very curious, and that is one of the reason I got into this industry. Otherwise I would have never got into the industry. And it is some sort of intuition. So what I'm saying is that if you are passionate, if you are curious, and if you want to learn something new, it's a great thing to learn, and you give it a shot. That's all you can do, right? That's all anyone can do. So GU. So GU, remember the last week forecast, I mentioned that market could shoot up and shoot down as well. So last week I predicted market could take this top, but still didn't take the top. But market fell down to this level, which I said that it will happen last Forex forecast. So I took some buy from here, and I was able to make some profit. And that's exactly what happened. Market pushed it upward for the great news for GU. And what I see is that there's quite a lot of possibility market to basically go up, take the top, just right at the top, and market can just go to the little bit higher. So probably 1.26600 level. And then from there, if CPI news comes up, and this thing can drop. It might not break the bottom. If you ask me, it might not break the bottom. So I'm expecting overall, this could be our bigger correction. And market could go for the up. And I am expecting market to push up somewhere below this lows. And I'm expecting market to shoot up. And when market is here, just about this place, I'll be looking for my sell setups. And when market is here, just below this low, just below this right here, somewhere here, and these zones, I am very keen on looking for buy setups. And if I have to give you more explanation, as you can see here, this down movement, this is a 5-wave to the direction, 5-wave direction to the downside. So this is my first wave, my second wave, my third wave, my fourth wave, my fifth wave. And then what market is doing right now, market went up sharp, and market is giving us a correction. And I do believe this correction can complete somewhere here, just below this low, it can complete, and then market takes off to the upside. And this will be an impulsive move to the upside, completing this correction. right? Completing this correction, and then we can definitely push it downward and making this a bigger correction for further upside, right? And this is what I see, because initially what I saw is that market could give us like a, what do you call, a three-wave correction to the downside like this, and then market could take off. And when Friday it finishes the market like this, then I said to myself, okay, there's more data that market is expecting. So this is what I can see at this moment in time. So what I'm seeing is that market has started this correction last Thursday and Friday, and this correction can complete here just below this low, and then market take off, and then making this as a complete correction. What I see is my impulse, and here the correction is going to get complex here. This correction is going to get complex. So how I see is that this sell and this buy. Now for this buy, market has given a correction here, and market is giving us a buy here. And for this sell, market is going to give us a sell here. So overall, I see this complex correction here before market takes off. And if you research about GU pairs, they do give this kind of corrections a lot. And when they want, like for example, when they want to take some time, they will go on to give you complex corrections like this. Hope this helps. And like I said, I'll be seller from the top, and I'll be buyer from this low. So GJ is pretty good, and the way I see it, GJ has a lot of momentum for a correction, a bigger correction. So as you can see here, there's an impulse, the correction is an impulse, is completed, and market should go up, but instead market has a lot of momentum to the downside. So what I see is that since market gives us this buy and this sell, now after this sharp up and sharp down, market is giving us a correction like this. So what I see that for this sell, market needs to give us another sell down here. So we complete this correction, and then for this buy, market give us this buy, and then market will fall for this down moment. So altogether making a bigger correction like this, and then market will, if market plan to go up, or if market give us a correction here, market further go down. And I am biased to the downside, and I am looking for my sells from here, my sells from here. And once market breaks all this low, and when market start to correct, I'll look for my sells from here. So GJ, to me, it is taking time for a correction, which is a good thing actually. Whenever market gives us an impulse like this, and when market takes time to give us a correction like this, that means it is ready to go down further, because the momentum to the upside is dying. So hope this analysis is clear. And if you have any questions, you can always send it on the comment. I can answer it on the next video, next forecast. So EURAUD. So EURAUD, last forecast, I explained that market is going to push it up. And this exactly what happened. Market pushed it up, and I was expecting that, and I was in the buy last week, and I made some money all the way till this level. And market started the correction here, right? So what I see is that this correction could be a 5-wave correction to the downside. So hopefully market can break this bottom, and then market will take off. And this pattern really good way that we can look for some buy setup, because the way market is coming down, the sell that is coming down here, the momentum is really slow and it is dying off. So to me, I am looking at it like this is my impulse, my correction. So this is a 5-wave correction to the downside, and market is going to shoot up. And this shoot up, at least it can go and break this top, minimum break this top. And if we see a correction again, I think it's going to go up after that. And if they want to go further down, and this moment to the upside after breaking the top, you should monitor how market is going to move up how market will move. So if this correction is completed and if market ready to shoot down, it will shoot down sharp. If not, market will give you a correction and the market will go up. And this is based on the structure that I can see, based on the wave analysis. This is what I can see. And I will be looking for my buys from just below this low. And I can see market is giving us a correction here and for further down. And I'll be looking for my buy from here. And once market broke this top, I will monitor how market plays. And if they give me a sell setup, I'll definitely go for a sell setup, right? And if they give me a correction, I'll definitely go for a buy here, the upside. As you can see, gold is actually performing based on the analysis that I was predicting last week. And we predicted market will go up. So this is exactly what market is doing. And I am biased to the upside now. Now, the way I see it, market has given us this correction. So this is like a 5-wave correction to the downside, right? And then market is giving us this up move. And this up move is pretty strong. And the way I see it, this is my first wave, this is my second wave, this is my third wave, potential third wave, and this could give us a correction here. And if market give me a correction by the time like probably on Monday, Tuesday, and this could take off, and this push to the upside can go up and break the top. And this is one of the reasons why I say that, because fundamentally there is issue going on. So the wars happening, and these wars making things worse, if you ask me. So what I am biased to, and since market last Friday, I was looking for some sells here, and I took some sells. I got some profits here. And what I'm expecting, market to give me a 3-wave correction like this, and just something like this. So here you can see this is a correction. Actually, this is a 3-wave correction, and something like this to the downside, the opposite direction, something small, and then go up. Let's say if market push up and take the top, and then if market give us sell setup, there's a possibility market to give us a bigger correction, or market can fall down as well. So these possibility exist as well. But I am biased to the upside. So upside to go break the top, and market can definitely start a correction just above this top, before market breaks the top. So there's a possibility. So gold, I am biased to the upside, and early part of the week, if market give me this 3-wave, and I'll be looking for my sell for the third wave here. And then once market come here in this zone, I'll be looking for my buys. So thank you so much. Have a great week and have a great trading week. Thank you.